Good morning, students. We are entering in a new chapter. Women change the world. Yes, the statement is great. We hear in the modern world about so many women. They are coming out into the mainstream and take up lot of responsible activities. We should respect them and accept them. I just got a random picture from a computer house, just got it and pasted. 3 of them are dead and 2 of them are alive. So their contributions, I am not going to explain each one's one, you know. I hope you are able to identify. Women's work. Now we will just go into details about it. The discussional point, whether women's work in the home is recognized or not. Most of the time it is not. The time is not fixed. You know, we cannot give a specific hours of the work from this time to this time. The homemaker works. They may have more work, more responsibilities that we may not understand. When we look at outside the home, we understand some occupations are seen to be more suitable for men than for women. If I just tell a pilot, suddenly in your brain a male member who comes out of a cockpit is in your dream. Very rarely you have seen a pilot, a women pilot. Woman is rarely seen as men. But if you just, I tell you a nurse, see, you will see nurse, plenty of them, everywhere. In your mind, a nurse will be a female. So when these responsibilities are socially assigned to them, we feel. Let us come to the reasons behind it. The women in the world are fighting for equality. And they are struggling to get education. Even if you take in India, women are not getting much facility for education. They don't go to schools. So there are so many discriminations about women. That is the reason why it is not taking place. See now, if you just go to the social people, just think. Teacher. First it comes to your mind about a lady. A farmer. If I tell a farmer, you will, most of you will think about a male member. A factory worker, you will have a male member in your brain. A nurse, a female. A scientist, male. Pilot, male. See, in the activities here, you see, where things are directly in contact with the human persons, Then a teacher and a nurse, you will identify them as females. But there are male teachers, you can hear my sound. There are female farmers. There are plenty of female factory workers. There are male nurses. There are female scientists. There are female pilots. But our brain has come to the conclusion that, or in a mood that, well, a teacher will be a female, a farmer will be male, a factory worker will be male, nurse will be female, like that. Why this? A stereotype that is created in the brain of us. That is the reason of it. So social psychology of stereotype is a generalized belief about a particular category of people. It is an expectation that people might have about every person of a particular group. You are a science school student, you should be like this. You are a girl, you should be like this. You are a boy, you should be like this. So that expectation is framed and a stereotype is created, a box is created, and you should be in that box only. That is stereotype. You cannot come out of it. When you look at a lady, oh, lady, in your village, if you see one lady is driving a bullet, you will say, hey, lady drives a bullet. Why? They can't drive a bullet. They can drive. Heavy trucks are driven by ladies. But our mindset. But if somebody, hey, lady is driving a truck, we are eager to look at. But if a male member is driving a truck, this is not a news. We don't mind it. Because that is rare. So because we have kept in our frame, in a stereotype frame, that only male members can do such a kind of work. Personality of male, female, differences, appearances and ability, everything. A lady means nicely attractive faces. Hair should be nicely combed, long hair should be there. If a male is having a long hair, we are not able to accept it. Those who are watching the Euro Cup, you can know many of the male members in Euro Cup are having hair, but that we are not able to accept it. Because our stereotype mindset is only ladies can have hair. That is the reason. This is the way the uniform style is presented to the brain. So that is what a stereotype. The thinking may be erroneous when applied to particular individuals. Sometimes we may feel wrong. Oh, he is from that family, no, he will be. Or he is from that area, he will be like this. Many times our prejudices create stereotype. Prejudices. A science school student or a senior of a science school student, senior student will be like this. You are coming to school only. Till now you have not experienced the lifestyle of the school. So there is a lifestyle of the school. So they are different. So there is a stereotype behavior about the thinking about the science school students. It is not compulsory every cadet, everybody should be in that stereotype box it is kept in. So every individual, everything will have a differences. So this stereotype thinking should be broken. It is the responsibility of the members of the society. Here one example of a girl named Lakshmi Lakara is given in the textbook. I have just copied it the same way, the same sentences, I have not changed it. Let us read it. She is 27 years old. She is from a tribal family in Jharkhand. You know tribals, people who mostly depend in the forest. scheduled tribe, we call it in the modern way in the record. So they may not have much access to education, much access to the normal lifestyle of the people. But she became the first female engine driver of Northern Railways. For engine drivers, we call it loco pilots. First female loco pilot. She is the first generation learner, means parents were illiterate. Parents have not gone to school. Many of you who are listening to me are third generation learners, I can tell you. But first generation means your grandparents were also literate, were able to read and write. Her parents were also not able to read and write. Just think the situation. So, after the classes, if she reaches home, nobody is that help her. She herself has to do the studies. No others knew the alphabet or anything that is given by the teacher to do at home. Many times, your parents might have helped you, or your grandparents might have helped you, or guided you how to do the homework and other things. But here nobody is there to help. So such kind of situations. So she got education. And government school, most of our government school situations are not very good. And she used to help the parents, not only going to school. Most of us, may not be going to do anything at home. Just study. And parents are not permitting us to do anything, any work. They will tell you study. And there may be sometimes tuitions also. If you come to any school, you will not get that. But outside, I am telling out outside situation. So you are full time engaged into textbook and notebooks. Very rarely you may be helping the parents, but she has to do a lot of work. Go home, help others. And she completed her +2 and went to study diploma in electronics. And she got a job in the railway department. And she told, I love challenges, and the moment somebody says it is not for girls, I make sure I go ahead and do it. Why? If it is done by girls, what will happen? So somebody tells, no, you don't go study that. It is not meant for girls. It is meant for boys. Riding train, piloting the train is not easy task. It can be. Why she is not carrying the train? She has to direct the train in the track it has to go. She has to give the horn in time and give the brake and everything in time. Careful about the movement of the train. That's all that she can do. So any job, any activity can be done by anybody. No sexual differences. So several like this experience she had. She even drove bikes in the school, in the college where she has studied, or in the diploma college. So, and she has selected the life which she wanted. So we must face challenges and do the things. And even if you go ahead with the activities, we may be able to perform. We may be able to do the things. See, Lakshmi has had to do this several times in her life when she wanted to take electronics, because parents or others say, electronics is not meant for girls, it's meant for boys. Mechanics, no, you have to go under the vehicle, repair the vehicle, lot of work is there. Don't take up mechanics, it is meant for boys. If you take up civil, no, don't take up civil work. Civil is you have to go for here and there drawing and all those things. You have to go to sun, you have to move up and down. Well, every job has got its difficulty, and every job has got its comfort, and it is your mental comfort is important when you take up a job. It is your choice. Now you have learned, agreed to join science, you have learned 1 year. When you come to the real life situation, it is not easy to face the life of a defense officer. It is not easy. So you have taken up. Many of the girls have joined the system. I appreciate them. So the government of India has recently permitted the girls also to join the defense department. Earlier it was not being permitted. So the changes are taking place and it should be fully utilized. Male and female together should work. Cooperative way they should work and achieve what we needed for the nation. Okay, bye. This is a new method I am trying. Let us see. Okay, bye.